Okay, let's take a look at number 10 on page 202. Determine the exact measure of all angles that satisfy the following. Draw a diagram for each. So sine theta equals negative 1/2 in the domain, with theta being between 0 is less than or equal to theta, is less than 2 pi. Less than 2 pi. Okay, so if we take a look, sine theta equals negative 1/2. This means that theta is in quadrant 3 or quadrant 4. If you've memorized your unit circle, that would help, and you would know negative 1/2 would be quadrants 3 and 4. The reference angle is pi over 6. So here we have pi over 6 and pi over 6 will be these reference angles. Okay, now if we take a look in quadrant 3, that will be in the red. Theta is equal to, now here is 0, pi over 2 pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. So in quadrant 3, theta equals pi plus pi over 6, or 7 pi over 6. Okay. In the blue, we have quadrant 4. Again, the reference angle is pi over 6. Theta will be equal to 2 pi minus pi over 6, or 11 pi over 6. Cosine theta squared equals 1 in the domain of negative 360 degrees is less than or equal to theta is less than 360. That's important, not less than or equal to. Okay, so if cosine theta squared equals 1, then cosine theta is equal to plus or minus 1. So in the domain, negative 360 degrees is less than or equal to theta is less than 360. Theta will be equal to, now remember that in each of these points, it is cosine theta sine theta. So here we have 1 and 0, and here I would have negative 1 and 0. Okay, so theta will be equal to 0 degrees, 180 degrees, and because the domain is from negative 360 to almost positive 360, we have negative 180 and we have negative 360, but not positive 360 because it's not part of the domain. domain defined.